Hey there! Are you a college kid that stays up hours late at night? Do you wish there was something you could do to help with the headaches? Well, lucky for you, there is an answer! Presenting naps, a usual college student favorite.
Think of a ninja who's alert and on the move from enemies. They'd clearly feel a lot less sleepy after a hard-earned nap. This would improve alertness clearly. For example, in a research study conducted in Jintan, China, 363 early adolescents aged 12 ended up taking naps of any length, and those that had faster reaction speeds were the ones that napped. These participants napped for 3 to 4 days a week for a moderate nap of 31 to 60 minutes. It shows an increase in accuracy and speed on the attention task given in the research study. A scientific explanation. The thalamus in the brain serves as a relay station for almost all information that comes and goes from the prefrontal cortex found in the brain. It plays a huge role in alertness, which is affected by proper sleep. The prefrontal cortex is a central role in cognitive control functions. Reason 2. It improves cognitive functioning, aka memory. In another research study, college undergraduate students took part in this study where napping and cramming for studying for classes was implemented towards education purposes. This study showed that the naps have some time for the students' brains who nap to consolidate the information at hand at which they studied. A scientific explanation. Consolidation is the process of preserving key memories and discarding excessive information. Usually, it happens during non-rapid eye movement and rapid eye movement stages during a sleep cycle. That is why naps are so beneficial, because without the allotted time to take a nap, memories would be lost and not remembered. Reason 3. It relieves stress. A research study was conducted involving 11 young healthy men to see if sleep restriction had any effects on the neuroendocrine and immune responses that cause stress. They looked closely at the effects of the neuroendocrine and immune biomarkers, with one group taking naps and one not taking any naps. The non-epinephrine values for the sleep-restricted group were high at one point, but they were not as high when there was an opportunity to take a nap. When non-epinephrine values were high, they increased stress levels. The values of the hormone went down when those participants took naps. A scientific explanation. The neuroendocrine system responds to external stimuli, such as temperature, pain, and stress. The immune system responds to exposure to bacteria, viruses, and tissue trauma. So when sleep restriction happens and it causes stress, that is not beneficial for the body or any of those systems. Thus, those that take naps are proven to have stress-reducing qualities. Non-epinephrine, also known as non-adrenaline, is both a neurotransmitter and a hormone. It plays an important role in the body's flight or fight response. It is a chemical messenger that helps transmit nerve signals across nerve endings. When participants in the research study ended up taking naps, this hormone ended up going down rather than high, which when it was high, it causes stress. But when a nap occurs, then it means that it lowers, being highly beneficial. Now here are some effective strategies. Keep naps short. Aim to nap for only 10 to 20 minutes. The longer you nap, the more likely you are to feel groggy afterward. However, young adults might be able to tolerate longer naps. Take naps in the early afternoon. Napping after 3 p.m. can actually interfere with your nighttime sleep schedule. Individual factors such as your need for sleep, sleep schedule, your age, and your medication use can also play a huge role. Create a restful environment. Nap in a place that feels comfortable for you. With all that said and done, happy napping!